passenger side, so this is the right side. So they fit on there just like this when you. No more Christmas lights, man. Back to normal. She's all good now. No more Christmas light. Man, that sunlight hitting different. All right, so guys, I got some new fog lights. I want to show you guys for my Ram. And these I got from I got these from on Amazon. It wasn't really expensive. It's, you know, they like I think I paid about, I'd say like $80 or $90 for it, something around there. But I'm gonna show you guys how it look. So this is the box it came in right here. This is the box, and it's two sets. So it's one set, so it's left and right. So I'm gonna show you guys how it look. All right, before I take them out the box and show you guys, I wanna if you haven't seen my last couple uploads I had, I think it was like 2 or 3 uploads, and for some reason I got these. When I got the truck, I never changed out the bulbs before. So the ones that was in there before, actually they ain't had no bulbs in there before. Like my fog light never came on. So I actually ordered some bulbs from eBay, and I forgot what kind they were. They like it was 4 sets. It's two headlights and 2 fog lights. So pretty much I changed them on there. They work fine, but it's the fact that for some reason, I don't know what it is, but every time I try to turn on my headlights and also turn on my fog light, they never try to come on at the same time. It's like I got to turn off one of them for the other one to work. So I don't know if it might be because of the kind of headlight bulbs they are. But when I take them off, I'm not going to be installing them today. But I'm just be showing you guys like pretty much how they look. And when I do like in the next couple upload, when I do put them on and stuff, I'm gonna show you guys the exact kind of bulb I got. And I believe they like HIDs or something like that. They are, I think. But for some reason, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's it gotta be the bulb, because like I never, normally that issue is not something, normally you should be able, it's normal for you to be able to put your fog light on and put your actual headlight on at the same time when you're driving. You should be able to do that. But for some reason mine, they try to come on, but they blink, and then sometimes it doesn't come on. And then sometimes, for some odd reason, last time when, my last 2 upload I had, they came on and worked fine. And then when I turned the car back off, turn it back on, it wasn't working. It was doing the same exact thing. So it started blinking, and then I tried to turn it on, it won't turn on. So the whole purpose of me getting these, because like I got the stock fog light that come with the truck that's on there now. They look good, but they're not really my style and stuff like that. Plus you got to replace them with, you got to put bulbs inside of them. So these ones I got right here. Let me show you guys right now. These ones I got right here. So it's this right here. This is how they look. So this is how they look. They look just like that, as you can see. And there's a plug and play. So I'm gonna show you guys in the back. It's a direct fit. Same exact direct fit. So pretty much these ones right here, they're a little bit more like an upgrade, because these you don't gotta worry about opening it up and then trying to, replace the bulb. You don't have to do that. This is pretty much all I gotta do. The ones I have on there now, for those who don't know, the ones I have on there now, they have bulbs inside of them. So those they have a opening in the back of them where you can take out the bulb and replace it. But these, like, they built pretty much, it's like a built-in. It's like I don't got to worry about that. And it's a lot better, look better. Let me try to see if I can give you guys the sunlight. It's a little bit beaming on my face right now, but as you see, this is it. And this is the passenger side, so this is the right side. So they fit on there just like this when you take out the old ones. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. And this is the exact same thing. So it's two, it come with two in a box. Obviously it's a pair, so left and right. And I paid, I said $90 pretty much, something around there. And it's not that bad. So this is how it look. As you can see. All right, give me a second. I gotta flip over my camera. And then I want to talk about this, man, before. I want to talk about this before I decide to show you guys how they look, how they fit on there. So I'm gonna show you guys like my front. These my actual fog light I got on. So these the fog light I have now. As you can see, they got like pieces in there. That's the bulb I installed in there. Those are the pieces that was on there before that came off. And they're a little bit, you see? They're a little bit shaky. And there's the same thing on this side too. This one you can see though. This one you can see like the piece and stuff like that. Like these fog light came with the truck just like this. So I just end up changing the bulb on there. Man, I want to talk about this. I want y'all to see this, man. If you know, and if you like me, you don't listen to the radio. You normally plug in your phone with your aux cord. Man, right now I'm heartbroken, man. Look at this. Let me zoom in for y'all. So that's where my aux cord is at. So pretty much, this is what happened. So I know most of the time when you forget, like me. So this was plug in. That was plugging over there, and I had my phone plug in to this. And I got home. So I got home trying to, I must have forgot that I had my phone plugged in still. So I turned my car off, got out, and my phone was still plugged in. Long story short, the whole thing yanked out. That's what happened now. I wouldn't say this could be fixed, but I mean it could, but anything could be fixed. But I say pretty much what I could do, what I'm gonna have to do, is two ways I can go about this. So one, I could either try to just get a Bluetooth, connect it to my radio, or that's gonna be the easier way, and or I could just get this whole, I could pretty much get one of these from the junkyard and take this out myself and then replace it with the new one, pretty much. And that's gonna be able to be fixed. But yeah, the actual wire that plug into that, you see? The actual wire that plug into this came out. So yeah, now I gotta listen to the radio pretty much, and I can't do that. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed. But let me know what you guys think. What would you do if that was you? I think I gotta replace this though. I'm gonna have to do that. Like 50, it's 52 right now, right? It's like one of the best days. Nice warm day today, man. And this is reading -40. I don't know why, but I really don't know why. Let me see if I can reset it. Yeah, I don't even know why. It's reading a -40. Yo, it's not even that cold. It's like 52. Super nice outside today. Super nice. Say, do not ever, if you ever got, let me show you guys right now. So if you ever bought any kind of floor mats or whatever for your car on Amazon or whatever, do not get this brand right here, man. This brand is shitty. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Like, this the worst car floor mats I ever have. Even AutoZone got a better kind than them. So the ones I had on there before, they was from AutoZone, and it wasn't that bad. I'm gonna have to change that out, and these gonna look good on there. But let me know what you guys think. It's the new year. This is my first actual video of this new year we started, and it's my first mod. Like I said, man, just definitely subscribe, man. If it's your first time, it's definitely going to help me out, help the channel out, and definitely show love, comment, let me know what you guys think, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. See you guys in the next one. Peace.